This notebook page represents the starting point for every task you give an AI. While these tools are capable of complex work, pasting raw data into them creates a massive operational vulnerability. Providing the AI with unrestricted access to sensitive details is a high-stakes risk. You must block out restricted data, specifically citizen information, passwords, and criminal records. We address this using a 5-part blueprint. This allows the AI to process requests using only general context. By following this specific assembly process, you can maintain a high security posture while utilizing the tool for daily tasks. Step 1 happens before you even open the AI application. You have to scrub the data. This handwritten note contains sensitive details, a name, address, and password issue. Before submitting, strike the name, address, and specific application. In their place, insert bracketed placeholders. These keep sentence structure intact so the AI understands your request grammar without seeing actual data. The AI can rewrite a memo or summarize a report without knowing the real name of a citizen or a specific database. Physically replacing real data with placeholders creates a technical barrier against accidental leaks. Once the data is safe, you must define the AI's assignment. This ensures the output remains professional and useful. Start with the role. By typing act as a and naming a profession, you force the AI to adopt that specific perspective. Then give it a direct task. Use help me to provide the exact instruction for what you need it to build. A request to write an email is too broad. Asking it to act as a workplace communication assistant and help me rewrite this message provides the necessary professional boundaries. Assigning a specific role and task guides the software into a predictable lane of operation. AI tools are designed to be helpful, which means they may invent facts if they lack information. In a workplace setting, this is a major reliability issue. To prevent this, build the fence. These strict restrictions tell the AI what is forbidden. Use explicit phrases like, do not include personal, law enforcement, or security details. You must also include, do not invent facts. If information is missing, list what needs verifying. Finally, apply the mold. Notice how the messy squiggle is forced into a clean layout, ensuring the AI doesn't return a text wall. Direct the AI to use a specific format, such as a numbered summary or a clear list of actions. Combining these negative boundaries with rigid formatting instructions makes the AI's output much more reliable. Now we combine all these steps with one final layer of context to complete the blueprint. This creates a 5-part system. The first 2 components establish the role and the task. Next is the context, where you define the intended audience or department. The final 2 components are the restrictions and the output format. This formula makes the process of using AI both repeatable and secure. Before you submit any prompt, there is a final safety check. Apply the 1-sentence rule. Assume any prompt you write could be seen by someone outside your organization. Use the checklist on this notebook. Have you removed personal info? Are passwords gone? Are your placeholders active? When these boxes are checked, you have a secure prompt template ready for use. Mastering AI in a professional environment means integrating these security measures into every prompt to protect your organization's most vital data.